Hi friends, in today's video, let's discuss the eligibility criteria and the exam structure for the CFA and the ACCA qualifications. Now, if I talk about CFA, who's eligible and when can you start? Well, firstly, you need to hold mandatorily a passport. Okay, so if you want to do the exams, you need to have a valid passport ready. Now, when can you start? Now, you are allowed to do the first level exam when you're in your second year of graduation. Okay, so as soon as you enter your second year of graduation, you can give your level 1 exam, which means you can start preparing for your level 1 while you're in your first year of graduation. Okay. Now, as far as level 2 and 3 is concerned, level 2 and 3 can be done after your graduation, after you finish your 3 years of graduation. Okay, so you can do your preparation while you're in your third year and attempt the level 2 and the level 3 exams progressively after your graduation. Okay, that's the eligibility and the starting point for CFA. Now, if I talk about exams, as you can see on your screens, the first level exams happen 4 times a year. That's Feb, May, August and November. The second level exams happen in May, August and November, and the third level exams happen in Feb and November. Now, all these exams are completely online, all right? And interestingly, all the exams are, a mix of multiple choice or multiple choice and structured. And let me take you level wise of how it works. Now, as you see on your screens, level 1 exam is completely multiple choice. It's a 4.5-hour exam and it's split into 2 sessions of 2.25 hours each with an optional break. Level 2 exam is basically a case study exam with multiple choice questions. So again, a 4-hour exam, which is a 4-hour and 24-minute exam split into 2 sessions with an optional break. Level 3 exam is got case study supported essay questions. So it's part of it is structured where you need to actually write an answer, and part of it is basically cases with multiple choice questions. Okay, so it's only in the third level that the structured questions are asked. Level 1 and level 2 is majorly multiple choice. Now, the third level exam is again 4-hour 24 minutes split into 2 sessions with an optional break. Like I said, all exams are computer based. There is a percentile basis of assessment with no negative marking. All right, that's the way the CFA exams happen. Now, let's understand the ACCA exams and the eligibility criteria for ACCA. Well, you can start your ACCA after grade 10. You can start your ACCA after grade 12. You can start your ACCA after graduation. You can start your ACCA after you've done your CA Inter, after you've done your CA Final, after you've done your CMA. So point I'm trying to make is there are various entry points, okay? And each entry point, the ACCA interestingly gives you certain exemptions. So typically after grade 10 or grade 12, you don't have any exemptions. You need to do all 13 papers spread across the 3 levels. But if you do it after your TY BCom, for example, they give you 4 exemptions. If you do it after your TY BCom plus CA Inter, they give you 6 exemptions. If you do it after your Chartered Accountancy, they give you 9 exemptions. And depending on your qualification, certain number of exemptions are awarded for the others, right? So that's the way the ACCA exams take place. You don't need to hold a passport. That's not a mandatory condition, all right? Now let's look at the exams. The first level, which is knowledge level, which has got 3 papers, and typically the 4th paper, which actually falls in the skills level, but it's tested like the knowledge level, okay? Now this is completely objective in nature. It's a computer-based exam, 100 marks, minimum 50 you need to score. It's a 2-hour paper. There's no negative marking. And these happen in computer-based exam centers licensed by the ACCA. All right, so typically your learning provider in most cases is also the exam center for these first 4 papers. And these are on-demand exams. On-demand means really, as the term suggests, you can attempt it when you're ready. They can happen 365 days of the year. You need to just book the exam, go to your center, do the exam, and you get your results on the spot. Okay. Now, the second level of the skills level, which is paper 5 onwards. Now, actually skills is paper 4 to 9, but like I told you, the 4th paper is tested like the knowledge level. So that's why I say in the skills level, paper 5 to 9 is a mix of descriptive and objective. Now, these are 3-hour online exams, 100 marks where you need to score a minimum of 50 marks. Now, these happen in ACCA approved centers. You need to go to the center that the ACCA will allot to you. These don't happen in the CBE, and you need to do the exam. Now, the ACCA interestingly has even given an option to students to do exams remotely from homes, right? So if you wish not to go to a center, or you don't have a center in your city, you can even do the exams from home. These are happening 4 times a year, first week of March, June, September and December. The last level, which is the last 4 papers, is fully descriptive, again a computer exam, typically 3 to 4 hours. So one paper, that's the SPL, which is paper 10, is 4 hours, the other are 3 hours. 100 marks, you need to score a minimum of 50. Again, it's happening 4 times a year, March, June, September and December in ACC approved centers. Now you'll note the difference that the CFA exams are percentile basis of assessment, but the ACC exams, they give you absolute marks. So that's one fundamental difference. While both the exams are online, and of course the number of times you can take the exams, etc., are different in both the curriculums, like I've already explained to you. Thank you.